Quick disclaimer before we start this series on HR analytics is that this is not a course on HR analytics. It is just me sharing some industry experience in a really practical and layman terms so that anybody can understand what this field is all about. So let us see the first question. What is HR analytics? So HR is the HR department, right? And it can mean several different things. So right from recruitment, onboarding, performance management, compensation, legal, workforce planning, diversity and inclusion, and so many other things. So when we say HR analytics, it can mean several things, but it would definitely be focused on the HR department. Secondly, now let us look at how it is different from people analytics. So some organizations do not want to call their HR department as HR. They would want to call them as people. So they can say rather than HR analytics, they can say people analytics. However, I still feel that people analytics is a very different from HR analytics in the sense that in people analytics, we are analyzing the people data, the employee data to bring out patterns and behaviors so that we can improve employee engagement and also improve the business outcomes. So, for example, this can be a very technical team, maybe PhDs and who are having specialized knowledge on how to create surveys, exit interviews, and analyzing the survey results, doing sampling and statistical testing. So, one of the questions this team can answer are, is there an increase in engagement levels after COVID? Or maybe is there attrition high for the employees who are having a higher compensation? So these are like advanced analytics which requires special skills and special knowledge. So this would be people analytics. Now let us look at workforce analytics. Workforce analytics is, from the name it term, it means that we are doing some workforce planning. So, say suppose a company wants to hire 2,000 employees in the coming fiscal year, then how we will plan for that? In which locations the company is going to hire them? What are the career levels in which they are going to hire? Are they going to hire more of junior employees? What should be the right mix of middle management, senior management? What would be the cost of hiring in a low cost location as compared to a high cost location? So, all this related to workforce planning, optimization, forecasting would be the domain of workforce analytics. I know that these terms are used interchangeably, but there are nuances to these topics. So, I hope I was able to answer the first question.